guys, here's the situation. Leaving in like an hour. It's like 7:40. Leaving in about an hour or less to go four-wheeling at, it's probably dark, at Elbe for the first time with my Jeep. And I have not even moved it out of the garage yet. I have not even cleaned it. Like, it's still covered in metal dust. I have to be on the road in less than an hour. Haven't even 0 miles on it. So hopefully nothing goes wrong. Now that I have the Jeep out, I'm going to show you the aftermath of 5 months of my Jeep in the garage with not really cleaning up much. It is a absolute disaster. Just jammed with stuff and parts, boxes of parts, workbenches, so full of stuff I don't even know where my tools are. I know that's my fault. I just don't really have time to organize boxes of metal parts that have been cut off. So yeah, got a lot of cleaning to do. So just in the neighborhood here, just hitting a speed bump, I can kind of feel the front even with these King shocks. In the front, they are way better than the ES 9000s, but the rear, when I hit that speed bump, I literally don't even feel it. It's like it's not even there, which is really cool. So the test drive went as good as I hoped. It's loaded up on the trailer. Okay guys, so we are at Elbe Hills doing the shakedown run of my Jeep. All my new suspension, everything literally from here back is all brand new. And there's a little special treat for you guys here at the trail. There's some special people that unfortunately, or fortunate for us, got stuck kind of in Washington for a little longer than they wanted to. Kevin and Brittany.
What's up, guys?
What's up?
Here. Yeah.
And the stepchild is here. So they're going to try it out at Elbe. They've never been here before.
Nope.
And of course, we got Nate, as always.
Sup? I got stuck in Washington a little longer than I like to.
You lived
It's all right.
Our whole lives. We've been here our whole lives. Well, you haven't been here.
Utah right now.
We were supposed to go to Canada.
Yeah.
And we're not in Canada because they shut down the borders. But we are.
What a weird time.
We're quarantined right now. We're very far away from the city.
Yeah, look, we're all.
Yeah, maybe a little bit farther apart.
6
feet.
foot
Not
rule.
with you, Brittany.
And we're no, in all seriousness, we are trying to make a tour in a nice small group today. We're only got 4 rigs, and you know, I'm glad. I mean, it's a bummer we didn't get to go to Canada, but it's beautiful in Washington today.
It is really
How
nice.
can you complain?
I know.
It's like 50 degrees today.
It's amazing.
So let's go hit some trails.
So cheating. Holy crap.
That's unfair. There you go. Oh. Is that rear diff? Rear diff again? Yeah. There you go. Just bulldozing. Diff, back up just a little bit. Now, passenger a little bit. Straight, yeah, right there. Right there. There you go. Oh, hold up. Oh, it's climbing it.
This one you just have to bump over.
The peak.
Back up straight.
Oh yeah, it's all drive shaft.
Straight.
On the peak of that rock.
You're gonna have to cut to the right side, same way you did. So keep coming back. Almost. Axle 2.
I think your drive shaft is bent. Drive shaft either broke or came apart on the stepchild. Not sure what yet, but we got to get it out of here to find out. It went twang again. A lot of twanging.
Well, I still made it under my own power.
That's true.
I still made it under my own power.
You're the first JL I've seen.
I'm just gonna say I drove here. I made it up this, and I'm gonna drive home.
True.
Wait, hold on. One more.
All
repeat
true.
that.
And I'm still gonna drive home.
And we're gonna do boat ramp.
I can try it.
Well, Kevin broke his drive shaft on Alder Loop, now fixing it. But we tried out the Yankum ropes soft shackle for the first time. Pulled it up, his whole Jeep, 4-door JL, dead weight, up the rocks, no problem. So yeah, link in the description if you guys are interested in Yankum rope stuff. Since Kevin broke the stepchild, Brittany's riding with me for a little while. Show her a little more than one trail here at Elbe, because that's pretty much all we ended up doing. We broke on the first trail. We're enjoying the mud.
In the half doors.
Half doors in the mud, in the cold. Pacific Northwest style.
It's just a big hole. You'll just flex straight.
Yeah.
Yeah. You good? Yeah.
Longer is Gathering.
Yeah. Fucking long wedge to the front tire.
We're gonna call this the lumberjack slam.
There you go. Yeah. Keep that passenger side high. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah.
You're good. There's nothing for you to hit. Just go. Yeah! There it is.
That was awesome.
It's gonna drop on this side now. Just slap that tree in half. Now you don't have to worry about it. Now you have to touch nothing.
When the sheep's green, just point it in the right direction, Kevin.
are now at boat ramp. I had some overheating issues, so I'm not sure if I'm going to do it or not. We'll see. But Nate's going to give it a try. Now he's got stickies. Sun is right in the camera, so you can't see it very well. Okay guys, well I unsuccessfully did boat ramp. I didn't even make it up the tires, which is what I expected. I didn't push it really hard because this is my first time, and it's my test everything out. What's the word?
At least you made
Shakedown.
it.
It's a shakedown.
Shakedown, yeah,
Shakedown run,
shakedown.
yes.
Brittany got it.
At least you made it to the boat ramp.
Yeah, I
You
made
didn't
it to
even
the boat
make
ramp.
it
That's true.
But then you didn't do the first rock garden.
I didn't because
I was in the
somebody
way.
was stuck
somebody
on
was
it.
Oh, okay.
somebody was plugging up the trail,
yeah.
and I wanted to do some other trails too today,
It's a good
other than
alibi.
just that.
Yeah.
So
It's
Yeah, solid.
Fair enough.
it works. So obviously the sticky tires are
They make a
far
difference.
superior
They make a
in,
difference.
in
I
this scenario. So
I think it's
You
all
know?
driver. I could be wrong.
mean, hey, I like that.
I don't like that. I'm not a fan of that scenario. Guys, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and if you're watching this video, you probably already are subscribed to Lightbright and Dirt Lifestyle. But if you're not, make sure you check it out and subscribe. We've got a website, muddybeards4x4.com, and thanks for watching.
Later, guys.